Debate writing. What is debate? When we put our opinion or suggestions or views on a particular topic. And when we are talking about debate, it means, what do you call debate in Hindi? Vaad Vivad. If I talk about debate competition, it is Vaad Vivad Pratyogita. Obviously, if you are talking about Vaad Vivad, somebody is putting his opinion and someone is also there who is just opposing, or maybe some would be there he was just agreeing on the points. So it means there should be two people, one topic, two people will be needed. One must be in favor of the motion and the other one should be against the motion. And what is motion? It is the subject. Motion means subject. But when you are in favor of the certain topic, it should be make sure that you are just speaking the positive points. You are just bringing out the positivity out of that topic. No negative talking about that particular topic should be there. And if you are opposing somebody, so you can never speak in favor कि हाँ ऐसा हो सकता है. Yes, I agree. No, you will always I oppose. My opponent said, but I oppose it. And if you are in favor, as my opponent said, I agree with that point. So like this, I oppose, I agree, I deny, I refuse. These words should be there in your debate. Your hands movement should be there. ठीक है, आप खड़े हैं और खड़े होकर you are just giving a lecture like have you seen the politicians ever giving the lectures? They always use their hands, their gestures, body language and the intonation of their voice. कोई monotonous नहीं होता है. Pitch somewhere it is high, somewhere it is low. तो क्या होता है जब हमें किसी को अपोज में लाना है किसी चीज के तो हम चिल्ला के बोलते हैं, no, I oppose it. How could you say that? I never been there like that. तो इस तरीके के words it should be included in your debate. If you are not using those words, it means that monotonous speech is there. What is the difference between a speech and a debate? This is the main thing. You are opposing something, you are agreeing at something, you are favoring something. Okay? Or if you people want me, I divide you people in like one person is there in favor, the other person will be there in against, and you two are together there on the stage, I can do as well. What is your choice? Or you want me to just call you one by one, whether you are speaking in favor or against, you just come over here, deliver your content and go away. What do you people want? One by one, because we are not in habit of that. I don't know what my opponent is going to say. ठीक है, तो how I am going to prove my point? चलो, this time I'll call one by one, but later on we'll do the real debate as well. Okay, so let's see how to write out a debate. First is you can start your debate writing with a quote or a saying. Quote and saying. किसी भी famous इंसान के आप quotes and saying ले सकते हैं. अगर if you are using these things, they should be related to the topic. ये नहीं you are talking about Subhash Chandra, but you are taking a quote from Mahatma Gandhi. Both are the different people ना. एक गरम दल, एक नरम दल. So they should relate the topic which you are going to deliver. Then it comes to your introduction. Whose introduction? Your introduction. What is your name? Then you will greet. Greet whom?
Your opponent.
Your audience, your judges panel, whosoever they, your colleagues, your fellows, whosoever is there, you think your audience, you have to greet them. Then again it comes to the intro. And now whose intro? Topics intro. Okay, what is you are going to speak about? Give a brief intro over there. Then the real thing starts. अब क्या होता है real thing? Then will come to the body or the main points. अब how you are going to write on the main points? If you keep a paper in your hand, it looks very odd. You are looking at a paper and speaking something. It looks very odd. So don't do that. Just prepare some key points. Have you done note making?
Yes.
Just prepare the key points in that way. In your mind itself, not on the paper. If you have prepared on the paper, you have written something on the paper, let it be in your pocket or in your bag itself. but those key points should be there in your mind. If you skip one point, you have another one. If you have skipped this one, you have this one. So keep all those key points in your mind. As key points रखने हैं, later on you have to just elaborate them. What is this about? ठीक है? और I will suggest 3 or 4 points are enough for a debate. ठीक है? If you are elaborating 3 to 4 points very well, these are enough. Not go beyond that, because it would be difficult for you people to remember as well as to deliver. Because there is a limited time given for debate. ये नहीं है कि you have time and you have to speak. No, there would be a limited time and you have to do or complete your content within that limited time itself. So don't go beyond 4 points. 3 to 4, these are enough. Then we'll come to the क्या आएंगे? Last conclusion. We will conclude our debate. How we are going to conclude that? How? Any suggestions? Yes. You can suggest something. You can give any solution of the problem. You can, appeal the people. We can appeal the people as well. And after doing all those things, then thank you. Thank you is the most important thing you have to do at the end. Before leaving, you have to say thank you. Because there are people who are listening you people patiently. So you have to appreciate them as well. Thank you for being such a patient audience. It can be your own manner to thank your audience. It can be your own style, how you are going to introduce yourself, how you are going to greet your audience. We would say on the stage, good morning ladies and gentlemen. Hello everyone. So these are the normal things. If you want to just do something else over there. I wish all of you a charismatic morning who are present over here. Oh, let's see. I'm gonna give you a warm welcome, but look outside. There is fog. There is chill. How I'm going to welcome you warmly? So, my friends, have a chill morning. So these are the different ways you are going to greet. So it's on your choice कि how you are going. पता है क्या होता है जब we say something else, we grab the attention of the audience. If monotonously we are saying good morning, thank you, everybody is doing that. Nobody is going to listen to you. Got it? So these things, and other than these, your body language, your gesture, your voice. There should be a high pitch, there should be a low pitch, there should be a medium one. When you are just simply saying anything which is known to all, ki what I am saying, this is known to all, be at a medium pitch. You want to force at something, be louder. Let them come to understand कि oh, this is an important thing he said, he or she said. और जब low, when something shocking, something disastrous you are saying, then come to the lower pitch, so that your audience come to know कि oh, something wrong was there. You are not talking about something good. And when you are full of enthusiasm, when you are full of zeal, you want your people to, just follow you. You are appealing somebody. So, my friends, I appeal you, please come forward to help me out. Be like that. Okay, suggestions, there is a suggestion where you cannot impose your suggestions on anybody. So, at the end of my speech, I would just suggest that I hope my people will do something for this. I will appreciate my people if they come forward to help. Be like that. Got it? Is there anything you people want to ask for debate?
No.
Nothing? Got it all.